I'm Cheryl Sleboda, and I have a fashion tip for you. If you've ever bought a perfect pair of jeans and they fit great everywhere but the waist, what you can do is to take two small darts, and here I've done them directly above the pockets. The only thing you need to worry about is to stay away from any of your belt loops. So on the machine, I have my started sewing through the bulkiest part, but I'm gonna get to this section here where it's gonna dip down to less bulk. And on this machine, there is a button that you can press that will actually help you sew even stitches over the next portion of that. So I push that in and it will stay in, and when I get down to the next part, it will actually pop back out and keep my stitches even. Now, for these, I would just want to make little back stitches. If your machine doesn't have that feature, you can use a tool, and I'll show you how that looks. On this pocket, what you do is just lay that under the needle, and to keep your presser foot even, you're going to use the tool to help your presser foot stay even under all that bulk. Once you're ready to go over that bulky seam again, you take the tool and put it around through the front. And that helps keep your presser foot even and your stitches even.